machine, just make sure if you want your thread to match, it's a really good match to the rope. So you can see I have it all threaded in this color right here. So it'll blend nicely into my rope. Then I'm just gonna select a heavy fabric, and I'm also going to select a zigzag stitch, and I want it on the widest setting. So I'm just going to make sure it's the widest it can go, and then you can increase the stitch length a little bit. So now I'm ready to stitch. So I'm gonna start just like how I did the placemats. I'm just going to kind of tuck in and curl, and then lift your foot and just start somewhere in the middle. And we can trim these later. And you want the rope to come and attach from the right to the left, because you want your bowl to form on the outside of the machine instead of the inside of the machine. So I'm just gonna start slow and do some back stitches. And I'm gonna go back and secure the center after it's a little bit more done. So you just kind of keep working, and then I'm just gonna trim some of this excess. Just go slow and pivot around and just keep adding your rope, and then you're gonna start to cup it so it comes into a bowl shape. So just keep going, and it's a great time to put on some music or a podcast, just lots of zigzag stitches and lots of fun. So let's get this bowl formed. And when you are at your desired bowl depth, you can go as big or as small as you want. What I like to do is just cut the rope and then keep stitching and tuck in that little bit and then just zigzag. So I'll finish it up. And look at this adorable little bowl I have. I can't wait to see what it looks like on my table. Look how sweet. I love utilizing new materials like rope and creating kind of your own textiles. And especially these bowls, they're so much fun. You can make them as big, as small as you want. And I made a couple small ones for my rings and jewelry, because it's a great place to keep them. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Style Revive. I am getting hungry and I can't wait to sit down at my beautiful new table. So subscribe to So Daily Network to not miss another episode. And happy stitching!